Hi friends, today we are here to share with you one of the healthiest and simplest salad recipes, the sprout salad. Adding sprouts to your life is going to transform it like anything, and it's going to be your best fitness friend. Green gram sprouts. Green gram is not called superfood just like that. This nutrient dense food, being native to India, gives you a lot of vital nutrients, antioxidants, at the price of very little calories. And the best part, the fiber. It can instantly make any meal balanced, just like that. So today we are here to first share with you how to prepare the sprouts correctly. And using the sprouts, we prepare simple salad, which believe me, it's easy to customize according to your tastes, moods on different days. So let us start and check out the recipes.
Green gram. So 1 cup, that is around 100 grams I am taking. So we just have to wash it nicely with water to remove all the dust, and also can check and remove any stones if they are there. So after rinsing, I am adding in roughly around 800 ml of water. Leave it for at least 6 hours or overnight, and now you can see how it is nicely plumped up after soaking in all the water. So now we have to drain water. So we need to sprout them in some form of hot box or an insulated casserole. So I'm taking this steel casserole. It will maintain the heat basically and allow it to germinate. So I'm just adding it in, spreading it evenly, and cover and keep it in a undisturbed place. So this is how it is after the next 6 hours. So you can see the sprouts have started to come. This germination can vary depending upon the variety of the seeds and also the season. So in summer season you get sprouts earlier. In winter season it takes some time. So here I am just giving it a quick rinse with warm water because the weather was cold that day night. So I just rinsed with warm water and I am covering and keeping it again. So this is after another 4 hours, just to show you how it is germinating. So now it's just picked up the speed. You can see nice sprouts. Can you see this? So depending upon the variety and the place where you stay, you can just standardize the timings. So this is after 8 hours. After 8 hours of washing with the warm water. So 8 plus 6. So 14 hours of sprouting, and you can see how beautifully it is sprouted. Looking very yummy. It's very crunchy. So let's get to make one basic salad. So I am taking handful of these sprouts. So I'm adding some chopped onions. So as I mentioned in the beginning, it's all up to your likes and dislikes. If you like onions, you can add more of them, or you can then otherwise you can skip this. So lemon juice is another thing which will give good flavor if you add them, especially if you add the lemon juice and keep them for around 10 minutes, the taste will be different. So you can add roughly half of a lemon for 1 cup of sprouts. Add salt to taste. You can even use the rock salt. So I'm just giving it a good mix before I add the other stuff. So green chilies are also another option. If you like it spicy, you can add them. I'm also adding some pepper powder and also chaat masala. So each of them are also again optional depending upon your likes and dislikes. but all these together will give you a really nice good taste. And to the best part of this, my favorite part, that's freshly grated coconut. So coconut will add a completely new dimension to the salad, so giving it that extra fiber. So all in all, it becomes completely crunchy and very nice spice